Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitutorials. In today's quick Power By tip, I'm going to show you exactly how to filter by multiple fields inside a measure, a really powerful technique that will make your reports way more dynamic and useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to write a measure that, for example, gives you only the sales for laptops in the North region. Let's jump straight in and see how it's done step by step. First, let's start by creating a basic measure that totals up sales for your whole dataset. Think of this measure as your blank canvas. In Power BI, pull up your data. In our example, we have a simple table with products, regions, sales, and quantities. To get the overall sales, you'll want to create a new measure and enter this DAX formula. Total sales equals sum of sales data sales. This measure simply adds up all the sales numbers in your sales column. It's really the foundation for just about any sales analysis you might do, so even if you're completely new to DAX, this is one you'll get very familiar with. Don't worry if you haven't written much DAX before, just think of this as a sum function in Excel but for your Power BI reports. Now here, where things get interesting. What if you only want to see laptop sales made in the North region? Enter Calculate, one of the most useful DAX functions in your toolbox. We're going to create another measure. This time call it Laptop North Sales and type Calculate sum sales data sales. Sales data product equals laptop sales data region North. What's happening here is Calculate wraps around our sum, but then selectively includes only the rows where the product is laptop and the region is North. It's like putting two filters on your data at the same time, almost like filtering a spreadsheet for multiple criteria, except now you're baking those filters right into the measure itself. This is super useful for dashboards where you need to compare different products, regions, or even more specific criteria all at the press of a button. If this is your first encounter with Calculate, take a moment with this step. This function unlocks a lot of advanced reporting capability, so it's absolutely worth getting comfortable with. You can keep stacking on filters, add as many as you like by just separating them with commas inside Calculate. And remember, every filter you apply narrows down your data accordingly, giving you exactly the view you need. Let's see this measure in action inside your report. Go ahead and add a card visual to your Power BI canvas. This is perfect for displaying a single focused number. Set the value to our new Laptop North sales measure. Right away, you'll see the total sales amount for just laptops sold in the North. This is instant feedback, letting you verify that your measure is working as expected. But we can take this one step further for a nice visual comparison. Add a table visual and drag in product, region, and sales from your data. Now also bring in your filtered measure, Laptop North Sales, into the table. This side-by-side view really lets you see the power of dynamic filtered measures. Only the row for Laptop and North will show a value in the filtered column, while the others stay blank or zero. And that's it. You've just learned how to use DAX to filter multiple fields within a measure, right inside Power BI, making your reports way more insightful and customizable. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions or specific scenarios you want to tackle, and don't forget to subscribe to Mitutorials for more practical Power BI guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.